Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network. Is Flare an opportunity of a lifetime? It's going to be an interesting video, folks, so make sure to watch till the end. And guys, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, so make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon as well. So do check that out if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the prices of both Flare Network and Songbird at the time of the recording. So let us check the Flare Network out first. So guys, Flare Network is down 4.38% for the day. The price is $0.2247. It has fallen from 0.0241 to 0.0222, and now it has increased a bit. If we look at the 7-day chart, guys, it is up 6.59%. If you look at the monthly chart, it is up 19.72%. It rose in a flash, guys, from 0.0172 suddenly to 0.021. And since that time, it has basically consolidated in this price range, and this is narrowing down. So whenever this happens, a price increase happens as a result. It slowly will go and test out 0.024, and boom, from there on out it can go up to test this level over here, 0.02656, but not financial advice. Obviously, anything can happen in crypto. But guys, if you look at the all-time chart of Flare Network, it is undervalued. You'll say that it is priced at the market cap is $731 million. The fully diluted market cap is almost $2.2 billion. So how can it be undervalued, guys? For what it is doing, I have covered a lot of micro caps, low caps, small caps, so I know what I'm talking about because there is a lot of potential with this project. Being a $2 billion market cap at the moment is also undervalued for what it aims to do. If they achieve that, basically giving smart contract capabilities to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, XRP that is tapping into trillion alone, and Bitcoin that has such a huge market cap, and a fan favorite, the community favorite meme, Doge, the favorite coin of Elon Musk. I mean, favorite apparently. So yeah, the use case is huge, and other aspects of Flare as well that it is tapping into as we speak, real world assets and all of that stuff that we would cover in this video today. So let us look at this as well. This is 15 hours ago. SBI VC Trade, a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange, introduces the first FLR token staking service. So yeah, check this out. Things are happening with FLR. FLR has a great future. Flare is going to be a massively successful project most people are going to miss. I mean, yeah, it always happens in crypto. So yeah, this is Songbird, guys, the canary network of Flare network, where basically the testing ground of Flare network. Everything goes through the Songbird infrastructure, and then it makes to Flare networks ecosystem. So this is a part of that ecosystem, Songbird. Let us look at the market cap. The market cap is $89.78 million. The volume 325,000. Fully diluted market cap $139.96 million. So let us look at the yearly chart here. So yeah, it went with the price of up with the price of Flare as well. Check this out. It tried to break through this resistance line over here, 0.0011 almost. But since that time, it has come down, and these are some crucial levels over here, guys. Support levels. It might break them in a few months or weeks because it is undervalued as anything. Check this out, the chart, guys. So a lot of potential with this project as well, as it is down 96.96%. So these are some great entry points if it makes it in a few months or years. So Guys, before I show you why Flare Network is an opportunity of a lifetime, this is a must-read thread. We were going to be checking that out. But before that, let us look at some of the comments from the community members as well. Let me show you guys some comments. So, why do we say that Flare is an opportunity of a lifetime? So people say that this from Flareboy Kim. Buying Flare right now is like buying XRP years ago when it was at $0.02. Could you even fathom the returns? So people are comparing it with the XRP. So if that isn't an opportunity of a lifetime, then what is? Now check this out. Flare network is designed to make Flare scarce. If you think the 100 billion supply of Flare is a lot, you might want to reconsider that. Collateral for F assets and layer cake bridges, Flare stake and ecosystem LPs, and many more products as the network matures. Where is it? Yeah, the network matures will make FLR a scarce cryptocurrency. So everyone likes an asset to be deflationary, but all people say that Flare network is not that. But according to Dan Rocky and the community members as well as the proponents, uh, adding all of this to the transaction fees on the Flare networks that are burned will cause the inflation on Flare network to be negative, guys. When the transaction volume reaches this threshold, so there is a threshold that when that reaches, Flare network reacts negatively to the token burns. So basically, the tokens are burned simply. This will obviously have a significant impact on the price with time, so making it deflationary. So let us look at some more posts over here, some interesting posts. I have never been more confident in my investment. FLR, a really good graphic, guys. Check this out. Such a cool graphic. FLR, Flare Network, connect everything. Not hard to see the writing on the wall, so much going on in the background for Flare. The community is extremely bullish on Flare Network. This was the first title I was supposed to basically give to this video, but I changed that. All roads lead to Flare Networks. So are you in? Success is never owned, it is rented, and the rent is due every day. Why are people so bullish? This is because Flare network has one of the best use cases in all of crypto, guys. Giving a smart contract capability is only one aspect of and a very huge aspect of what Flare network is doing. The FLR bridge collateral will probably consume most of the FLR in circulation and fast. A large percentage is already wrapped. Also, FLR is considered more scarce than a token with high supply because of its utility and uniqueness. Conclusion: this will push the price upwards. This is a video from yours truly a few days ago. Let me show you another interesting post. Yeah, F assets looking to be big. So check this out.
System, rewriting the rules and pushing boundaries in the blockchain industry. What sets F Assets apart? It's more than just another bridge. Let's dive into why. The F Asset system supports new assets. F Assets breaks the mold by not limiting itself to smart contract assets. It welcomes non-smart contract tokens including BTC, XRP, and Doge, unlocking new possibilities for DeFi on Flare networks and other chains. These tokens represent a staggering 70% of the total value of all blockchain assets. Decentralized network of entities. While many bridges rely on multi-sig structures, introducing security risks, F Assets takes a decentralized approach. Operating as a network of independent entities, each entity is incentivized by their economic interests to ensure the system's integrity. Enshrined oracles. F Assets eliminates dependence on costly third-party oracles. Instead, it leverages Flare's native data protocols, the Flare Time Series Oracle, FTSO, and the State Connector, shielding assets through over-collateralization. To safeguard user assets, F Assets goes beyond traditional single-token collateralization. Each mint is protected by a combination of the agent's collateral and the community pool collateral, ensuring resilience against market fluctuations. User-friendly experience. The F-Assets system prioritizes user experience. With the F-Assets dashboard, users can mint and redeem F-Assets directly, engage with agents, participate in collateral pools, and get a clear view of TVL, portfolio position, and rewards. Get ready for the future of cross-chain bridging, F-Assets. Launching at the end of the private beta. Join us on this revolutionary journey. In the
So, guys, if this isn't an opportunity of a lifetime, then what is? I mean, it is doing so much as I can decipher from this video. The Oracle guys, Oracle, the time series. It doesn't rely on external data. It relies on its own native functionality. So it is doing so much. I mean, we've talked about how big Chainlink has the potential to become. Flare Network is doing all of that, being interoperable, and at the same time trying to basically give smart contract functionalities to these great assets, guys. And let me show you this thread as well that I talked about. This is a really interesting thread, guys. I'm going to be skimming through this. So do check this, do read this out. This is from Flare community. So it is no secret that Flare is a blockchain built for the future, focused on facilitating interoperability, decentralized data. So interoperability, bridging assets onto other networks is nothing new, but Flare are building better bridges. So you've heard about interoperability, but the bridges of Flare network are safe, secure, and they are better. A type of bridge we're yet to see in the space via the FSET and layer cake protocols. The bridges that are fast, scalable, trustless, fully insured. Check this out: decentralized, earned rewards, fast, insured, so that is cool. Besides that, decentralized data. This is where things get spicy. We've already seen the power of Flare time series Oracle. Data feeds, arguably the most decentralized and accurate Oracle in the space. It relies on its own functionality, internal functions. FTSO has the potential to become a powerhouse in the space and unlock the power of cheap, high integrity, decentralized data feeds. So it is accurate, extendable, rapidly updating, decentralized, incentivized for participation. And that is not all. Flare Network boasts a number of novel data acquisition protocols, namely State Connector, Web Connector. So what this does is the state connector allows information from other chains and the internet to be securely and trustlessly used on Flare network without any third party. Securely, guys. Acquire state, flexible, universal, safe, go cross chain. So this is what Flare network is doing, guys. So what do you guys think? Is it the opportunity of a lifetime, a financial opportunity that in line with the XRP at lower prices? Is it or is it not? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and do hit the notification icon for regular videos. If you're interested in utility coins and potential gems, then you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon as well. If you do check that out as well. Anyways, guys, like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.